The iGaging caliper is a must if you're doing robotics or anything physical, right? It has a a very, very large display right here, right? And everything is so well made. I just wanted you to take a really, really close look at how well made this is. Let me show you the other side, right? I wish you could touch it. It's really, really sturdy, right? Now, what I like the most about this is the action here. You see? So you undo it, right? And then you can, when you need to make small adjustments here, the action here is very good. Very, very good, right? So that way you don't have to fuss about it. And it feels so solid in your hand. The action is the best. Then you lock it and you're set, right? So this is super, 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 super recommended. Large display, long battery life. You're not going to regret buying this.